Hello student, today we do exercise 4.5, some special types of quadrilateral, chapter 4th, practical geometry. Statement is on your screen. We have to construct a square. Name of this? Read READ with RE 5.1 centimeter. As we all know, जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, the side of square are equal. All adjacent sides of square are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree. First, we will construct a line whose length is 5.1 centimeter. Dot make an angle of 90 degree at point R. First arc of 60, second arc 120. Now bisect these two arcs. Angle of 90 degree. Similarly, we will make an angle of 90 degree at point E. Angle YER is of 90 degree. Angle XRE is of also 90 degree. And we know that A comes at EY ray and D comes at RX ray. Open the compass. 5.1 centimeter with E as center, draw an arc of 5.1 centimeter and with R as center, same radius, draw an arc which cut D and A respectively. Join D to A. Thus, read is a required square. Step of construction. Draw RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. Draw angle XRE equals to 90 and angle YER also of 90 degree. Next, with R as center. RD equals to 5.1 centimeter as radius. Draw an arc which intersect at point D. Similarly, we will do from point E. स्टूडेंट, कंस्ट्रक्शन बहुत इजी होता है. जैसे जैसे आपने इस फिगर को बनाया वैसे वैसे आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखना होता है. Join D to A. Thus, read is required square. Sum number 2. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 and 6.4 centimeter. In rhombus, we know that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. जो diagonals हैं वो आपस में 90 डिग्री पर कट करते हैं. So, also an important question. First, we will draw a line segment 5.2 centimeter. It's your choice. आप कोई भी डायगोनल पहले ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Let I am taking its name AC. If rhombus ABCD, then AC and BD are the diagonals. Bisect AC. Open the compass more than half. Put 2 arcs upward and downward. आप 2 आर्क, एक ऊपर की तरफ और एक नीचे की तरफ लगाएंगे आधे से ज़्यादा कंपास खोलकर. और सेम ऐसा ही आप दूसरे पॉइंट से करेंगे जो कि पहले वाली 2 आर्क्स को इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. नाउ जॉइन diagonal bisects. Bisects means to say 2 equal part. Half of 6.4 makes 3.2. Open the compass up to 3.2. Then put 2 arcs on the bisector lines from the center, or we can say point O. This one point will be B, A, B, C, D. Join. 3.2 plus 3.2 makes 6.4, and all these sides are equal. Let me measure. It comes 4.3. BC also, CD and AD. Now step of construction. Draw AC equals to 5.2 centimeter. Draw perpendicular bisector of AC which intersect AC at O. With O as radius, draw an arc of 3.2 centimeter downward and upward, which intersect perpendicular bisector at B and D. Next, join B to A, B to C, D to A, D to C. Thus, ABCD is required rhombus. Next, exercise 4.5, sum number 3. Rectangle with adjacent sides whose length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Rectangle में हम क्या जानते हैं? We know that all angles are equal to 90 degree and opposite sides are equal. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से मिलता जुलता क्वेश्चन है. First, we will draw a line segment whose length 5 centimeter. Let the name deer, DE. Draw an angle of 90 degree at point D. Similarly, at point E, we will make an angle of 90 degree. Open the compass, 4 centimeter. We know that DE, A comes here and R comes here. Dimensions, join R to A, thus DEAR, dear is required rectangle. Step of construction, you have to write self, same as question number 1. Now the next is sum number 4. Last sum of this exercise. In a parallelogram, okay, where OK 5.5 centimeter, KA 4.2 centimeter, is it unique? पूछता है वो आपसे, क्या ये अलग तरह का क्वाड्रिलेटरल है? Okay. Parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are equal. If we make angle O is of 90 degree, angle K is of also 90 degree, it will becomes a rectangle. And a rectangle is also type of parallelogram. जो एक rectangle होता है वो भी एक parallelogram होता है. तो हम लेट कर लेते हैं एंगल O को 60 डिग्री, देन एंगल K विल बी 120 डिग्री. OK 5.5, at angle O we will make an angle of 60 degree. आप 90 के एंगल भी बना सकते हैं. At K we will make an angle of 120 degree. KA 4.2, open the compass. Put two arcs at point K and at point O. These points are A, Y, join. Thus OKAY is required parallelogram. See, opposite sides are equal and parallel. और ये अपने ही आप में एक यूनिक parallelogram है. Construction you will write same as question number 1. Thank you.